It's me, Khanbi. Today we're going to do a rainbow Skittle experiment. We need rainbow Skittles and a little warm water. And we need, of course, we need a plate. So grab your first Skittles and then outline it all on your plate. Don't make it like circles in the middle. You have to be outline. Okay? You want to do like orange beans. Now slowly pour. Don't not shake it or move it. Okay? Then it will spill over. That's enough. And you see that rainbow color? So I think we wait for a little bit. I see the colors. You see it? You see it? I can't believe it actually works. Oh, look at all these orange ones. So we just wait for a little bit. Look how beautiful. Do not shake it. Not even a little one. So, I think there's colors inside the Skittles. Guys, you can eat one too. It's very strong. Mine is finally done. Look how beautiful it is. Do you see that? Oh, wow. Wait. Okay, guys, this is how you make a rainbow Skittle.